2026 BMW M3 continues to carry the torch for what a true performance sedan should be: aggressive, intelligent, and endlessly thrilling. It's not just another Fast 3 Series. It's the heart of BMW's M division, a machine that balances everyday usability with track-level precision in a way very few rivals can manage. And in this new model year, the M3 becomes even sharper, smarter, and more capable than ever. From the outside, the design remains bold and unapologetic. The large vertical kidney grille is still here, flanked by laser-thin adaptive LED headlights and wider front intakes that help cool the upgraded engine. A sculpted hood, flared fenders, and carbon fiber roof create a planted, athletic silhouette. At the rear, you'll find quad exhausts, a new diffuser design, and redesigned taillights that give the 2026 model a more refined edge. It's a mix of muscular aggression and modern BMW design, instantly recognizable and impossible to ignore. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M3 stays loyal to its twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, but software and cooling improvements give it a slight bump in responsiveness and overall power delivery. The standard M3 still delivers 473 horsepower with a 6-speed manual, while the M3 Competition now produces 525 horsepower and comes exclusively with the 8-speed automatic transmission. The Competition xDrive model, which features BMW's all-wheel drive system with a switchable rear-wheel drive mode, rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. On the road, the M3 remains an absolute weapon. The chassis is stiff but forgiving, steering feel is laser-precise, and the adaptive M suspension constantly reads the road to keep the car balanced and ready. Whether you're pushing through corners or gliding on the freeway, the M3 delivers confidence with every input. The drive modes let you dial in everything: steering weight, throttle mapping, suspension firmness, even how aggressive the exhaust sounds. Inside, the cabin blends digital sophistication with racing DNA. The updated curved display now runs BMW's latest iDrive 9, offering crisp graphics, better voice control, and smoother operation. The seats are deeply bolstered and finished in merino leather, and carbon fiber trim stretches across the dash. Rear space is respectable, and the trunk remains practical. This is still a true four-door after all. The 2026 BMW M3 is more than just a performance car, it's an icon that refuses to age quietly. For those who want power, presence, and precision without sacrificing daily comfort, this M3 still sets the standard.